Aloha Gang, today we're gonna go over how to sell your beats online. We're also gonna cover the best and easiest way to pay collaborators when working with other producers and artists. Let's get it. Selling beats online is one of the best ways to get your name out there and reach new audiences. In today's musical climate, everyone's collaborating. This is awesome. So DistroKid has a tool that allows you to easily pay all of your collaborators without having to hire an accountant. The brand new feature is called Teams. We're gonna check it out in just a second. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Aloha Alex. After 20 years of performing, writing, and producing music, I created this channel to help you grow your mixing, music, and production skills. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss a thing. Today we're gonna go over 3 steps to get you selling your beats online. Let's jump on in. Okay, so step number 1 is to set up a beat store. I like to use Beatstars, but you can use one of the many beat stores out there. I like Beatstars because it's easy to navigate, it's quick to pay you out, and it's super easy to share your beats on Instagram, YouTube, or whatever social platform you choose to use. All you do is you come over here to create track, fill in all your information, but what's really cool is they're gonna give you a URL of your track. Keep watching because in step 2, I'm gonna show you exactly how to use this to drive traffic to your beat store and make sales. So these are all the payments. This is how they come in. Like somebody bought a unlimited license, I think it was last week. You just get a little notification that pops up on your phone telling you that someone bought a track, and then the money gets sent right to your account. Step number 2 is to put your beats onto YouTube. This is a great way to get exposure and to see exactly what works. When I first started uploading to YouTube, I was uploading different genres to sort of feel out what people would respond to. And as soon as I started uploading my reggae beats, I started getting indicators of what was working. So as you guys can see, check this out down here. The views are, a couple hundred. This one was probably my best one at the time, 440. This one's done pretty well over time. But as you can see, these are like hard flute beats, Juice WRLD, and then all of a sudden, boom, reggae beat, 2.5K, and they keep coming up. Got hard trap beat, R&B, and then boom, 11K. That's another reggae beat. If you see certain beats resonating with people, you want to double down and start making a lot more of those. This ultimately led to more beats being sold and reaching new people to collaborate with. Hey, stay tuned because I'm going to show you how to make sure everyone you collaborate gets paid without even having to think about it. Coming right up. Step number 3 is to put your beats into a pack and create a sales funnel. You can use ClickFunnels or GrooveFunnel, but basically all you're doing is you're letting people get to know you, creating a story, offering them some extra goodies, and then leading them down the funnel to ultimately buying your beat pack. I'll give you a little sneak preview of what mine looks like. As you can see right here, this has brought about $500 in for me. So this is kind of what it looks like. I'll have an opt-in page where people click here to download 5 free beats. That'll take them to this page right here where I have an explanation of sort of my story coming up as an artist and producer. And then I bundled this package together. It comes with 30 of my beats, live streaming guide, music industry contacts, and a course on how to get 1 million views on YouTube. This allows you to advertise on YouTube, get people to opt into your free beats, and then it sends them down a funnel to get to know you as a producer, which will in the end make them more inclined to support you by paying for your beat pack. If you guys want a detailed breakdown of how to possibly make thousands of dollars through a beat funnel, check out the Legion Beats course. It explains step by step how to get a super high performing beat funnel. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below. Now, when the time comes, you're gonna start collaborating. Instead of keeping ledgers, book notes, having to keep up with all the percentages, DistroKid has an awesome new feature that does everything for you. It's called Teams. Check it out. All right, so you're gonna come up here into Teams once you're in your DistroKid account. All right, so check this out. Automated payments to everyone on your team. Automatically route any percentage of earnings from any track to anyone. Add your collaborators, producers, bandmates, managers, and more. We'll pay them directly so you don't have to think about it. Free for all DistroKid members. 0 commissions. You can edit teams and percentages at any time, an easy setup. If you're a non-DistroKid member to a team, that's fine. A 50% discount coupon will be instantly emailed to them. Super dope. All right, so let's check this out. We'll click heat wave. So what's great about this is you can add pretty much an unlimited amount of collaborators. Let's say there's 8 people on here, no problem. Just put in the percentage. Someone can get 1% all the way up to 100%. Super easy. And what's great is you can come in here and change the splits at any time. You can add or remove collaborators at any time. You can go back in time and see any of the splits that you had previously. This is an awesome feature too. For privacy, collaborators can only see what percentage they get. They can't see who other collaborators are or how much percentage they're getting. So let's say one of your collaborators isn't a member to DistroKid, they can sign up for only 10 bucks. And let's say someone's super slow to join DistroKid and get the percentage. It doesn't matter, your release will not get hung up. They will just save the money for them for when they sign up to DistroKid, and then it'll automatically pay them out. Let's say your collaborator never joins, no problem. You can come in here and cancel their invitation, or you can just grab their money and pay them separately. And as always, one of my favorite key features of DistroKid is they don't take any percentage. You and your collaborators get 100% of the revenue. Collaboration is one of the most fun and creative ways to team up with other artists and producers. Sometimes keeping track of who gets paid can be a daunting task. Make it easy by using DistroKid's Teams feature. If you guys want a full breakdown of DistroKid's videos, click on this video right now. I also go over a full schedule of how to release music in the age of streaming. Click on it. Come on in. The water's warm.